Introduction. Sam is sad. 2 wheels of his toy bus have come off. The bus no longer runs. He takes the toy bus to his father and asks him to mend it for him. His father fits the 2 wheels and his bus is as good as before. In this lesson, you will learn the story of wheels. Wheels all around. All vehicles that move on roads and rails, such as bicycles, scooters, cars, buses, trucks, trams, and trains have wheels. Aeroplanes also have wheels because they move on road first before taking off. Modernization of wheel. We have come a long way from the days of wooden wheels. We now use steel, iron, and rubber to make wheels. Such wheels are strong. They last long. Wheels have made transportation easy. Therefore, wheels are our friends. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Wheels are round in shape. They roll easily because of their round shape. Wheels are used in vehicles to carry people and goods from one place to another.